Sorry, I'm late. My bad. Might be. I'ma be. Head on. What's up? How's everybody doing? Sorry, I'm late. Sorry. I was on a quick little phone call and I lost track of time. That's on me. That's my bad. It's the last thing I wanted to do. Oh shoot, I know what I forgot to do today. I'm gonna be in trouble for not doing that. Hey Jackie, what's up? How you doing? How's everybody doing? These were kind of irritating me, so I'm gonna go back to my OG setup. My original. Hi everybody. Oh, that's not working. Okay, I'm just gonna put this down. I'll deal with that later. Oh, sorry. My dog's judging me. I forgot to put his eardrops in again. Oh, I'm gonna be in so much trouble. I'll put them in later. Okay, so original setup. Let's do this. Back to the beginning. I should probably not be doing this with glasses on. There we go. That makes life easier. Sorry. I would say sorry for being a mess, but I'm pretty sure you guys are so used to me being a mess right now that you're just like, this is normal. This is just completely normal for this one. She's just weird. That's just her thing. Okay. Now, we are good to go. Let's mark out. I do see that PM session was actually like I said, I'm a little bit bummed that yesterday I wasn't in the correct state of mind, because yesterday actually looked like quite a nice day to trade. Like solidly, yesterday was such a nice day. Never. Oh well, we carry on. How is the account doing? Live sound. That's not on camera. I'm in my room. That's straight. How's the account? Well, it's not dead. I think. I wouldn't quite say it's out of the danger zone, but it's not dead. What's up, Eddie? Oh, my people are here. I love it. Good morning.
Hi. Good morning.
Oh, I love it when you guys are here. You guys are so cool. You make my day. I hope you know that. I hope you all know that. You guys do indeed make my day. Okay. Let's check. Whoop. Is there a new daily opening gap? Not really. A little bit, I guess. A little bit of an imbalance, but it's not so much a new daily opening gap. But let's still just the open range. Okay. And basically Asia low as well. So I'm just gonna mark this one as Asia low. I can tell you that for free without putting on anything. Holy cow. Alrighty then. This is moving. It's a good thing. What's up, Ahmed? How you doing? Welcome. Edits, you know what? I'm gonna give this to you.
Nice.
That was good. That was impressive. I'll give that to you. Guys. Guess what? I have indeed now uploaded the shark video. If you guys want to see it, I uploaded it this morning. Yeah, don't judge my editing skills. Obviously, you know, I'm not like amazing, but it's cool. I know live sound, and when Asia looks like this, London tends to be the accumulation, which kind of sucks, but it is what it is. Nice. Nice, up $200. That is awesome. Thanks, Bob. Good morning and good night, Maya. London sucks. Wow, rough. Anyways, I think, do you know what that deserves? This deserves this. Okay, let's mark out midnight, then we'll do our top to bottom analysis. I know I'm a tad little bit late. I apologize, guys. Okay, there's midnight. 3 a.m. Has 3 a.m. happened? I feel like it has. Oh no, we have a minute until 3 a.m. Okay. Ugh, I normally can't do anything on the open anyway, so let's do a quick top to bottom analysis. So I'm trying not to rush things, but in the same breath, let's get through this. So daily. Holy cow. Okay. Point of interest then. 279. Hmm. 280. Okay, 280 or at least up to 350. 280 to 350. If it's gonna keep freaking pumping up, if it's gonna come back down, obviously I'd like to see it coming tap back into this inverse fair value gap. Oh damn. At 760. Okay, nice daily. Finally, we have some movement. I'm kind of excited. March was mean. Now we're getting some pump it up, pump it up. 5 for 1 right by the WikiWix. Actually, let's use the bodies rather. 456. Okay, can't forget 456 right there. 456 is pretty good. Though it might tap into it quite quickly. Hourly. Oh, we are due for a retest back down. I wonder, do you think I might tap into 456 and then? About to hit the shelf, actually. Let's see. So 217. If we don't get a retest at 217, I would have to say the next one would probably be around that 456. There's a lot of imbalances left below here, especially this one. Good grief. Okay. Well, trend is friend, right? Can't deny this bad boy right here is trending up solidly. Like I said, a retest would be quite nice. Do you know what the little moment I have in common? We both want to be part of your world. Wow. Wow. Hey, Loader, what's up? How's everybody doing? Well, we can't deny the bullish right now. The bulls have just taken over completely. Very interesting. Yeah. Back to the minute. Let's see what we get. That was a very quick top to bottom analysis. That was solid. That was solid. Okay, so 3 a.m. open. Is this the retest? that now going to freaking retest? Might just retest back into there and then continue back up. What's up, Hawk? How you doing? Whee! Good morning, everybody. Ah, there we go. Sorry, I lost my brain cell.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I'm sorry. What, children? You didn't put a TP last night and kept scaling and made nice. That is amazing. How much did you get from that? We want the bull run. True. True, Marox. We really, really do want the bull run. Trading for newbies, how are you? How's everybody doing? Debbie! Hi, sorry, I think I said hi to you already. If I didn't, sorry. Hello. There's a little Perry bean here. Can I help you, sir? What are we trading tonight? What's blessed dandy? What's up? Trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be exact. Hi. You okay? Okay. Okay. My dog's just here looking all concerned. I don't know why. Can't believe I bought nearly over 500 points. Yep, no, McRobert, insane. Absolutely insane. I'm good, Debbie. With 0.042, I've made 140k risk 30. Damn, that's not bad, chill dude. Looking for a retest of Tuesday's discount levels, else I'm watching price fly without me. Ah, Marox, you know what? I hear you. I hear you. It's just left. Hi. Okay. Okay. Add along. What's up, Ronnie? Give me 2 seconds. I have to do my dog's eardrops, and I forgot to do them yesterday, and I haven't done them now. What time is it? It is literally, what time are we at? 9. Yeah, it's like 9 a.m. in the morning here. Not bad, not bad. Give me 2 seconds to do my dog's ears, because he's gonna be super upset because he hates it. And if I forget again, I'm gonna feel like a chop. Yes, and you need your eardrops. I'll leave the microphone on. You guys are gonna hear the chaos that's about to happen. You know what's coming. I'm sorry. Come here. No, don't run away. Come here. No. Okay, I'm back. Sorry. I don't know if you heard me. That's great to go. Trade London and New York session. I know, Steph. Trading from South Africa is awesome. I'm forgiven because I have sweeties. I am the sweetie lady. Yesterday I won my first long. I've been shorting live, never in my life in the past 2 weeks to get anything out of New York. Ronnie, no, I didn't trade New York. Hey, Thomas, what's up? Yeah, I didn't trade New York yesterday, which is a pity because New York was awesome. I was not in the correct mental state. If you are not in the correct mental state, guys, do not trade. It's not worth it. So I had to I just stopped myself from trading, don't get me wrong. There was moments where I was like, I could just take this. And I was like, no, don't do it. Not worth it, not worth it, not worth it. Leave it alone. Okay, well, we officially have 3 a.m. open, and it does look like we've lost some oomph behind it. Makes me sad. Hey, UK channel, what's up? Oh, sorry. Oh, blessed and dandy. You can go, you're gonna see I'm streaming both. So if you go into my channel, you're gonna see there's 2 lives. One is the vertical, one's the horizontal, then you'll be able to see better. Sorry about that. But I'm trading the Nasdaq futures, the micros to be specific. The bigger moves made after you stopped stream. I saw the Maya effect came into play solidly yesterday, chill dude. But it's fine. Either way, I wouldn't have been able to trade yesterday. I apologize about yesterday. I'll be better. I'm feeling like a normal human being again today. I may or may not have been having a little panic attack. But we're good today, so that's all that matters. Nope. Yep, that's better. UK, which one is the best strategy model? That's person dependent. Can't say which is the best. Go short 2 micros and shot the laptop will be flushing down to 6,300 within the next few days / weeks. By the way, are you a swing trader? I nearly said, are you a swinger? I was like, no, that's not it. That's not what we call it here. Oh my gosh. Hey, Mark, what's up? It's short and small time frame, but what about the higher time frame? Literally, no. This thing could potentially be going. It's about to tap into an order block on the daily, but obviously it still has a little bit of a way to go. Then on the 1 hour, it's the 1 hour. The 1 hour did create an inverse fair value gap, so that's interesting as well. What's up, Dom? How are you doing? So, plumbing away, you think this is the top? You just did a big buy. Listen, Mark. I do go hunt your dream. I do indeed. Just drinks. Hey, thanks. What? What? Yeah? Oh my gosh. That is hilarious. Wow. Steph trades, I trade prop firms. What about you, Steph? What do you trade? What's your thing? You seen Tradeify 3.0? No. What? No, I haven't. I need to actually go do some research on it. I can keep mine intact after losing streak, so I trade high reward, but it's not for everyone. Yeah, that's difficult, Jill, dude. Ben, what's up? What session am I now trading? Hey, again, this is the London session. Maybe max 20-40 points up, but we'll see 6,300 this next week. Oh, you're talking about ES, right? Coming away. Well, the next one, I'm hitting shoulders. Ben, why would you do that? Why would you do that? That was very unnecessary. Anyways, they just did a rollout eating with Lucid with one-time purchase evals. That's cool. That's very, very cool. Give me a second. I'm making a note. Oh, Step, that's cool though, but that's why I started with evals. You have to protect your cap. The whole point of trading is to obviously, well, increase your capital, right? But as well as increase, you have to protect your capital. And the only way to, well, not the only way, but for me, the best, oh, that would have worked out nicely. The best way to do that would be using prop firms. It gives you a cushion, right? They also just added 25k accounts. Yeah, yesterday I was talking about Siren Coin and it goes down too much. Ben, I like having a cash account. So, Stefan, you like having a cash account, too many rules and prop firms for me personally. Interesting. See, I kind of like the rules. It keeps me grounded, if that makes sense. It stops me doing dumb things. Dom's gone short. What happens if it goes? Steph trades exactly. So which prop have you gone with, Steph? There is no spoon. You were? There is no spoon? What's up? That's okay. You're forgiven. I don't even remember, so it's fine. I appreciate you coming on. If you were, you're a sweetie pie. That's very sweet of you. Most prop firms are making changes to the evals and rules starting today. Interesting. Please don't say it's an April Fool's thing. Can you imagine they did this and they're like, April Fools? Guys, can you imagine they did that? Like what prop firm? I'm currently with Top 1 Futures, but I'm dying to get a Traderfy account. NQ24200. 24400 top. We'll see 2300 this next week. Day trading is exhausting. Rough in these market conditions. Yeah, it's rough. Hey, it's Mike the Goat. Now that would be mess. Can you imagine? Sorry, this is for Mike the Goat. The absolute audacity if they had to be like April Fools. If you make 12 in 3 months, and you can keep scaling the prop firm account to help you on your journey. Only issue with Apex is that it's not compatible with TradingView. Yeah. Oh, that kind of sucks, Steph. Your TradingView is nice. What do they use? Like NinjaTrader? It's the same with Violinox. Violinox is really nice, but unfortunately you can't use TradingView with Violinox. But they do use NinjaTrader. Why is this so slow now? I see this trade would have worked, but did Asia steal all the oomph? Sad. To me, it looks like we could get to 24500. Everyone was very keen on it getting up to 24500. Let's see. I think after this freaking push that Asia bought, which was weird, we're gonna have to low-key sit and be patient. This might be accumulation now, which is not quite what I want. Well, again, markets don't give a damn about what I want. Send the code for Bulonox. Oh, code is Teachmeyer. All caps, no gaps. Yeah. Discount code. There we go. I'll pin it for you as well. So that is the discount code for both Violin and Tradify. Oh, if anyone wants to join the Discord, you guys are also more than welcome to. Let me quickly. Let's do this. Quick sticks. Ta-da! Stefan, my hat's off to you. Smarter than me, and yeah, probably a way cheaper learning curve with prop firms. Yes, at least to the daily SMA. Credify is good. Got a payout with them. Took an hour or two to receive payout with crypto. That's not bad. Listen, Tradify is good. It's the same with Butanox. I know. Like, I even had a meeting with Tradify, and they said it takes a lot for you to not get a payout. Like, if you don't get a payout, it's basically because you're creating or you're doing some. I don't want to say dodgy things, but you know. I don't think the helper would be funny. Apex uses Trader but can't link to trading. That's stupid. I'm on long 2 positions until with partial profits. Oh, okay, Ronnie. I got too short from on MES aiming for EQ. Vladimir from Serbia, what's up? How you doing? I need to sleep. It's 4:18 here. Damn, Mark, go to bed. Sheesh, it's late. Well, it was fun to stop and say hi. I'll see you. Cheers, Thomas. Enjoy. Chat to you on Discord. I've been following the 18 thing. I cannot change my trend. I'm certainly chance. Use 2%. 12:18 here. I love those video streams, but I catch like 15 minutes every time. There's my bedtime. Oh, what about New York session? What time is New York for you, Stefan? Or you maybe working? Futures, you need liquidity. Yep. Waiting for it. Waiting for it. Do you think it could come back down to here to get that liquidity? That's potential. That's potential. So we could see a short-term downtrend. You know. Open this. Because the lighting's shocking. Gaming with... What's that? That's better. If you have less than 10k, there is no difference. You should add high time frame indicator to combine high-low time frame entries. So I do check. I do also have. Wait, where is it? I just haven't set them up correctly how I want to. But yeah, you can see here's the higher time frame ones. Let's actually just make them look same. So I tapped into that fair value gap. 3 AM open, right at the top. Huh. Hey yo! Wow, is that advanced technology? Chill dude, what? This? No! This is an indicator. It's the ICT HTF candles FADI. F-A-D-I. It is? It's the first live stream you ever found? What do you mean? Dom says, look at Discord. Let's see. Oh, banger! You got in right at the top. That's a decent freaking trade. Nice, Dom. Let's see if it is going to continue. Tapped into that fair value gap. To be fair, the better fair value gap. Ooh. Yeah, down to the bob level. I think down to the bob level is good. Let's see if we can maybe enter in here somewhere. Oof, I don't know if we'd be able to. Want to see something like this. A little bit of a retracement back up. This would actually be quite a nice entry. Stop loss just above everything here. Just want to make sure it's not messing with everything there. This would actually be quite a solid trade. But retest back up here down to this fair value gap. You just started trading? Nice. Why are you doing trading like that? Are you doing paper trading? Arkin? Okay. Hey, Mega Teacher, what's up? Have you messed with trade views alerts? I think you could make it play a sound when price exits a rectangle. No, I haven't. Oh, let's have a look at that. I'm gonna turn that off for a second. Guys, this is not bad. Like I said, correlating with the higher time frames. I want to see it go down and retest there because it's not respecting the 50% as well as I would like to see it. Okay, let's see. Indicators to check margin. Many wins, but then lose thousands at a time. 36 bucks, nice. Thanks. Should you size down and stick to one contract? I mean, it's not the worst idea, especially I am, but that's specifically, yeah. That's for a very specific reason why. I'm wanting to see a further retest down. It is so overbought. I could be wrong though. It did tap into this fair value gap. Sellers are wanting to come and play here. Cheers, Mega Teacher! Jamie, what's up? This indicator is just called ICT high time frame, so HTF candles by Fatty. It is going against the trend. I don't know if that's cheeky. Let me quickly check something. Yeah, shoot. Buy spike happened there, now we're just getting buys. Sugar honey iced tea. Yeah, low, but I wouldn't want to hold past EQ to Asia like that. Yeah. I know, I'm also thinking that, to be fair, Stefan, I'm looking at it thinking, oh shoot, this could go back up. Yeah, like that. I did want to see it take, oh, just wick there. Yeah, well, we're in this. That was a nice wick. "20 seconds left. Come on. If your stretch shows, then it's a worthy opportunity." Oh, thank you, Life Sound. Sorry, I see that I've missed a few messages. Sorry. 8, 7, 4, 3, 2, 1. Problem is the buyers. Yeah, this might not work. I am? Jamie? I thought I'd gone up a little bit. So you go back down slightly. Hey, son. Well, I'm starting to worry, Dom. It's about to hit my stop loss. Oh well. Yep, straight to stop loss. So with the higher time frame, that did not work out like I wanted it to at all. It looked like it wanted to reject. If this thing freaking goes down now. With the higher time frames. Shoot. Oh well. On to the next. Is the thing just gonna top wick me? No ways. No ways. How's the balance looking now? That's why. 442.50. That's not bad. Better snap inventory again. Okay, this after hours now. Drawdown is limited. No, I'm sorry, Lance. Don't worry. What's up, Moses? How you doing? Do you ever use title traders? No? Let's see, Dom. This might actually go... I know, Ronnie. I just wanted to see it retest. So if we look at the higher time frames... Oh, shoot. It respected the 50% on this one. Damn it. That's what I was looking at. It wasn't respecting it. Shoot. It closed above. Respected the 50% of this fair value gap. I actually wanted to come and see it tap into this fair value gap below. Seriously? Watch it now go down? Oh, if I was a revenge trader, I would take this again. But I'm not, so do not do it. Do not revenge trade. Alright. Gotta do two things. One is this. That's what I'm doing. And 2. What am I doing? Good night, everybody. Sorry that I haven't been responding to people. I've been focused, which is kind of weird for me, I know, but still. Oh, last thing, balance. Not that bad. 442. We're still in the 400s. Point? I didn't even check that. 0.50. Okay. Lesson learned. Stick with what you know. They're tapped into the 50% and now we're going back up to the highs. Looks like, anyways. Okay, I see we're in a bit of a weird one here. Now it's hands off for a little bit so that we don't revenge trade. Not that I'm great. I don't normally revenge trade, but I have tilted before. Cold trade, yes it is. London opened at 3 AM. Daylight savings happened on Saturday.
Emotional damage.
There we go. Hey, oh Wade, what's up? How are we doing? Revenge trading just happens. It's like tilt, sometimes it just pops up all over. I agree with you on that one. Just locked out my top step till New York. Need to go actually work today. Oh, cheers, life sound. Yes, go do adult things, right? Like working. Having to work is a pain in the butt. Sorry, this is me just journaling. Sugar honey iced tea. Freaking would have bottom ticked this. Ah, oh well. Blue line maxing down. No, I think this is going back up to bob level. I'm gonna go more up and go down a bit later. The high is gonna break at least. Oh, happy new month, guys! And what's up? You know, guys, part of me wanted to like paper trade today and tilt, and that would have been the April Fool's thing. And I was like, no, because imagine I get really banger trades. Anyways, I think that helped me a lot was looking at the 100 and 200 MMV map. Amazing, figure out market direction, keeps the chart clean, constructed is what really counts. I'm sorry, Jackie, what was the comment? I apologize about that. Oh, you asked about this. Yeah, no, I know. I realized that a tad bit too late and I was looking. See, so what I actually typed into my journal is don't give an overthinker more things to overthink. That was the one problem with this, because then I went, but we see it could want to go down there and there's something there and there's something there and there's something there and there's something there. So it low-key gave me more to overthink. Because this was not an A+ setup. Straight up. Not an A+ setup. I should not have taken that. That was a bad trade. I'm gonna be very open on that was a very bad trade. This here is a banger right now. Literally bottom ticked beautifully. I even set this up and still thought, nah, this might go back down to the bob level. It's fine. It's okay. It happens. That was very much a lesson. You know, never a loss, always a lesson. Lesson learned, don't be dumb. Hey, High Life! Oh, it's Wednesday. Have a great Wednesday, there we go. Exactly, live and learn. I made a terrible trade, I'm ashamed. Oh, Lance, me and you too, buddy, don't worry. I nearly called you only true trader. I've never called you that. OTT, what's up? How's it going, Ash? Oh, I love it and I hate it at the same time. Just try it. Make first gonna look like a rocket scientist and it makes it even simpler for me. Okay, Stefan, I have added oopsie daisies. Added too many things. I've added it to notes. Wait, my notes. There's my notes. Oh, those are the unhinged. Oh my gosh, I have way too many things in my notepad. Yeah. I can't believe you just said you make Forrest Gump look like a rocket scientist. Rough. What are we trading now, please? Hey, Bouncy, we're trading Nasdaq futures. My strategy is complex unlike other people's. I don't use zones and so on. I am weird in the trading world. Be weird. Right? Who wants to be boring? OTT, I was dumb. What's up? Lava Turtle! How much do you risk per trade? Step normally. So, a little bit of background. This is my first ever funded account. Yay! Am I butchering it? A little bit, but it's okay. It's okay. So, normally I would risk around $200 per trade. Recently, I've only been putting one contract because I'm trying to dig my way out of the dirt. Yes. Kind of like yesterday's price action. Yes and no, it's it kind of is, I guess. Which means New York is going to be awesome. New York's going to be good. Don't I see liquidity down there? There is no right or wrong way to trade. Whatever helps you understand the market, run with it. Have a great night. I'm an old man. Oh, my bed. I'm Stefan. No man, no one's old here. We are all in our youths. We've always been our youths as long as, I don't know. As long as we believe. Did Maya say she's consuming too much? Consuming too much? Did I? Did I say consume? What did I say? What did I say? That's when you have to use 10 contract. Yeah, are you crazy? Use 200 with the mini. No. I risk 200 with the micros. So I trade with the micros. And I risk $200 per trade. And it's a 1 to 2 hour strategy. So it, well, yeah, 1 to 2 hour strat. So $200 would mean the win is $400. I stopped using dollar amounts, thinking about how much or how little I was making. Losing was messing me up. So Shaki, what do you use then? I'm losing. I need 2 more days for my third payout on Lucid. But you've got this. I mean, the fact that you've had payouts is already amazing. That already makes you a winner. That makes you like actually a step up from the 5%ers. Oh, consuming too much information. You can consume too much information, right? That's a thing. That's a saying. Is it? I'm pretty sure I'm consuming too much information. No? Anyways. Exactly. Taking on too much and overthinking too much. That's the one. That's the one. That's the one. How many macros per trade? It depends on the size of the trade, Steph. Yeah, it really depends on the size of the trade. Hey, Anna says if you want to use Bob, probably also trade it like he does. If you want to trade ICT, get an ICT trade. Don't try to use both. No, that's fair. Problem is the Bob to Bob is only really, say, allowed. Because, gosh darn. Ash, has Bob ever yelled at you? It's terrifying. Absolutely terrible. Well, he's never yelled, but you know. Has he ever been disappointed? Oh, it makes you feel bad. Bob to Bob is mostly for New York levels. You can use it for London, but you need that... the proper volatility. Like, I mean, what Asia was doing for Bob to Bob was beautiful today. Seriously. I do not know what happened during Asia, but it just freaking went for it. It is doing the same as yesterday. Is it creating an M? Are we gonna start dropping down now? It's going down, 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 down. TP is the next pivot level I have. Hey, yeah, I do. What's up? How you doing? Hey! I keep wanting to call you Tentacle, but I know it's not Tentacle. How are you doing? I'm trying to figure out my risk management. Oh, interesting. Yeah, it depends on the trade. So let's use this one as an example because it would have been a winner. So setting it up. What it look like. So okay, now we go to limit. I've already kind of set it that I risk 200 and it goes closest to 200. So this would have been 9 contracts. Would have been 100 and yeah, would have risked just short of 200 with the win being $391. But I've kind of set it that it's like that. That it kind of instantly places around $200. I know, Zayn. I'm trying my best. How are you doing, Zayn? How's it going? Beginning trying to use too many different strategies, which is really hard to do. Not impossible, just hard. No, I hear you. I hear you. Even I struggled with having 2 entry models. The 1040 stop loss is roughly equivalent to 1 strike price in relation to options. I believe emotion control is overrated. If the strategy is far away from a subjective, then it doesn't matter. Explain, chill dude, out of curiosity. No! Sorry, I have hiccups, that's why I'm pausing in between. I'm gonna start calling you Tentacle. I hope that's okay. That freaking sucks. I'm so sorry. OTT, you know I love you like my little brother. We're gonna have to go out for. We're gonna We're gonna have to go out for milkshakes when I come back up that side. Oh gosh. My fund is only 300 short-term blown. Trust me, you are not alone. Zed, we got this! Ba, 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 ba. Mine's like 100, but still, I like that we're all in this together. This thing got... How close was this to being blown? It was one trade away. I think it was close to $20 away from being blown the other day. One trade at a time. Like I said, this one was dumb. Oops, it happens. We move on to the next. Let's just make sure this is not just gonna go sideways. Let's actually get correct. Correct. Oh my gosh. What's the word? Oh, correct confirmation. Hello. Can you give me the brain cell back? I think we sometimes share a brain cell. I need it back, please. Thank you. Oh gosh. You'll see the disrespect rate going for drinks and going for milkshakes. Yeah, because you're just an itty bitty baby. No, I'm kidding. You call me auntie? That makes you a child. What I found interesting is whenever I'm close to losing the account, I tend to have the best trades. What? Are you serious? It's because maybe you're like more focused? I did not find that with me, just saying. Rara, Fatimur. Now it worked out. So I guess in a way, it did go back. It just had to reject off of this fair value gap first. Huh, okay. Should go and tap into this one now. Let's see if it does. Yep. Here's the 50% of this one, ironically, right by the bob level. Okay. Wasn't incorrect, just wrong timing. And timing is all that matters. Unfortunately. I think that goes towards the unhinged pickup lines. I think that... What do you guys think? Do you think this goes towards the unhinged pickup lines? I think it does, because that was very unhinged. I don't even know if it's a pickup line, but gosh, that was very unhinged. Did y'all see that? Did y'all see that rubbish that just happened there? It means if you're emotional, giving you a hard time, you can just go. Maya, cheer up. Cheer up? What do you mean? I'm super chill today. Y'all should have seen me yesterday. I apologize about that. Ah, Meme King, what computer sing is the best? Adele, that was terrible. Mama Bear, I have something special for you. What is it? Whoop whoop for Dom. Hey, Dom, whoop whoop. Oh, what was the unhinged pickup line that I don't know counts as a pickup line? It was just unhinged. Whoop whoop for Dom. Is that what you're asking, Jose? Okie dokie. Yeah, it is. That did work out nicely. Well done. Well called, Dom. Very, very nice. Correct idea, wrong timing. That's fine. JKX depends on how you trade. Dude, don't flatter yourself, that wasn't even a pickup line. You didn't even say it though, I'm so confused. Did you? You were right. Oh, yeah, it's okay. But thank you. It was a good bad call. Does that make sense? I'll go with a good bad call. What time are we looking at? Okay, it's nearly 4 a.m. Everyone be careful of 4 a.m. Just saying. I'm trying to decide where's the limit where I can exit. You may choose to stay in. Tight stops are distracting in my opinion. Good grief, so you have a 20-minute sideways limit. JKX, what strategy do you trade out of curiosity? What's up, David? How you doing? I wasn't ignoring you. How's it going? Oh, Jose, it's a little indicator. Is that what you're asking about? Made some from that down. I'm also in a funded but eval account. Tree trades futures. What? Also in a funded but eval account. You're saying you a prop, you passed your eval and you're now in a funded? Is that what you're saying? Sorry, that confused my brain. There we go. It's a higher time frame indicator. Okay, so now we do indeed have the value gaps. We'll back up. Okay, took that out. Let's see if we're just gonna do the dump forward now. 5 minutes until 4, so this is where you have to be a little bit cautious. A little bit cautious. Okay, so you're still in the eval phase. Okay, got it. When did you get the eval? It was to throw you up. I got you. Yeah, dip buys following trend. Wait. Dip buys following trend line, but increment based around the daily and hourly levels. In the case of yeah, we've waited for the local uptrend to break. No, valid. Okay. Noted. And how long have you been trading for? Sorry if I've asked you this before, I apologize. How long have you been trading for? And if you obviously don't mind me asking. Sorry, I can be a little bit nosy sometimes. Just call me out. I mean. It's fine. Oh, shout out to David. Shout out to David for the dono. He now gets... What did I do? Anyways, now gets fireworks. Fireworks. Whee! Pew, 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 pew. Anyways, I'm embarrassing people with this emoji too. 2 weeks ago, first ever eval, praying I won't blow. No, you probably will. Sorry, I'm gonna be a little bit honest. You probably will, but you learn from it, right? It's the same with this funded. Am I going to blow it? There's a high possibility that I will, and it's normal. How long have you been? I'm gonna say studying. How long have you been studying your strategy and? At the 0.5 fib retracement for entries, very useful guide to gauge optimal positioning. Well, I mean, it's kind of what this is. There's a 0.5. I don't so much use the 0.786, but this is not a fib. This is a GAN box. I know, same, but different. This David guy is rich. I'm jealous. There's some news, maybe influence around Parliament. Oh. Shoot. Why? wait, actually, that was a bit dumb of me. Just watching how this 5-minute candle closes in this area. And the right idea, just didn't wait for confirmation. You'll get there. Thank you, Steph. Yeah, no, but that's... As it went back up, I was thinking, double tap. It's okay, it happens. I know. Holy moly, I might survive. What's up, JB? Huh. Atlanta, what's up? How you doing? How you doing? Decent rejection. Lost a little bit of volume though. See if it rejects off of there. Goes to retest back in. Ooh, maybe a bit down to VWAP could be quite a juicy little trade, but again, these imbalances all the way back up there are interesting. Okay, so did have that rejection off of this 15-minute fair value gap. Huh? Dollar actually started 6 months ago. Close to 2 years, just that. I was gambling initially. Interesting. So have you taken your first trade on this eval yet, or me? Well, that was a very pathetic little rejection off of that. Okay then. You have a limit by... Yeah. Man, I need a job. Anything will do. Guys, oh. Okay. Okay, not respecting that level. Sorry, I'm a little bit locked in today. Sorry that I'm not responding so much. I'm seriously having some looks over here. Let's see how this reacts now. 402. Body retest or straight shot down to make daily low. I was going to bed, then I wanted a quick scalp, but I'm too late, sorry. Hey, Mika, what's up? Oh, thank you, JJ, what's up? How's everybody doing, by the way? Anyone that's just hopped on, give me a second. There we go.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
Hope you all are amazing. Amazing. Hey, Bradley, what's up? How you doing? This is better. This is better. This is better. This is better. Sorry. I got all excited there. A very good doji. Still respect at that level. Struggling to break that one. That's interesting. Okay. Sorry, I know I got a little bit overexcited there. Sorry. My bad. Be a little something like that. I still wouldn't mind seeing this actually retest back into... Can I help you? Do I trade gold? No, I'm trading Nasdaq futures. Thank you, Mikuava. I'm just bored. Steph, I have only been trading for nearly a year. Oh, I got super bummed yesterday. I'm not going to be here on the 14th of April, which would have been my 1 year anniversary of trading. Like I said, a little bit super bummed about it, but it is what it is. No, don't do it. So I was like, ooh, do I actually do this? Don't do it. Don't do it. I have rules. The rules are don't do bob to bob in London session. Wait for New York. So it's fine. Am I on Discord? I am on Discord. Ollie smells weird. What's up, Jordy? Kinda missed the chat. That's okay. How you doing, Jordy? Jordy needs a job. So would I. Is that a Rhodesian accent? No, I'm South African. What's up? How you doing? Oh, watch this bob to bob work beautifully. There would have been entry. That's it. Watch it now. Go and prove me wrong, but let's see. Ooh, it is very close to VWAP on ES though. Oh wow, did you start with futures right away? I did. Yeah, Steph, yeah. So with futures micros specifically for the fact that you won't blow through your capital so quickly. Jordy is trying to leave his job. Please do not hire me. If you look on the 1 minute NQ bounced off the 200 and making its way down to VWAP. Yeah. What I am low-key looking at. Oh, Ollie Jordy, you missed me making an oopsie earlier. It was my bad. Correct idea, wrong timing. It's fine. Well, it's not fine. Obviously timing bad, but still. No, JKX, unfortunately not. Basically, majority of the brokers in my description are the ones that we get in South Africa. But we do have access to Traderfy and Violin, and I think that's awesome because they are great. I called the bounce last night. Now, how long will it last? I sensed the oopsies. It is the same account, Jordy. I don't know how. To be fair, this account it's on life support right now, but it's on life support. Ever used the 15-second shot? No, I have not. Also cannot. I don't have the premium. You need premium, right? Yep. That's bad. Very nice. My winning strategies maybe. No, I had a little loss today, Sam, but thank you. Make the decision when it reaches value area. Blow the thing and start fresh. Yep. I think this is going bob to bob. I'm not allowed to take it. Tapped into VWAP on ES. Let's see how it reacts there. On ES being the keyword. Obviously didn't tap into it here. Hey Hammer, what's up? This may be after Trump's speech tomorrow. Okay. I think our definitions of full port are different. What time frame is this? This is the 1 minute. Yeah. This is the 1 minute time frame. Nah, still not loving it. Oh, sorry. Clicking things I'm not supposed to be clicking. Guys, I rewatched, well, I haven't finished it yet, but Apothecary Diaries, I must say, it's probably my top anime. Hey, Muddy, what's up? Time frame. I'm an island boy trying to make it. Great club. Oh my gosh. What's a 515 minutes? I'm waiting on. Shot looks messy. No. Ah, sugar honey iced tea, man. Blech. Bob to Bob. Dag nabbit. Bob to Bob. Okay, well, it tapped into VWAP, which was the point of interest. What game is this? The game of life. Dun dun dun. It's called full port. Whee! Okay. Maybe I should just start doing Bob to Bob levels in London. Well, How do we yelled at by Bob? He's very scary. He can be very scary sometimes. I'm kidding, he's a sweetheart, but still. Jordy, Mick Rob, I think you guys have been hanging out too much. You're all becoming the same person. Hammer! Stop! Hammer time. Ayo, ayo, ayo. Okay. $100. It's time to check my smoke cigarette. I'm telling you, maybe if it's money not pressing any luck. Now I'm off to bed. Stefan, well done. Whoop whoop. Actually, wait.
Why are you doing this? Why are you even thinking this way?
Well done to anyone that is green. That's had a win. Super proud of you guys. One day I'll be as cool as you. Today is just not that day. But, okay. So this is what I was looking at. I did expect a little bit of a retest off of VWAP if I had looked at this. Don't like where that is. Do a VWAP. Do a little bit of... Okay, no, this is not the best trade. Unfortunately. Oh, and it bounced off of a volume imbalance on the higher time frame. Cool, 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 cool. Cool, cool, cool. What about fair value gap there? Let's see what we get here. Just paper trade when you get the urge to trade out of your plan. I mean, Carlos, that's not a bad idea. Just get it out, right? Debbie, how are you inviting him to indicators? How do you have any contact details? Like that, we're done for the day, one more day for a payout. Nice, Jamie! Well done. Seriously, well done. That is awesome. We're buying now. TP 2400. What? What do you mean we're buying now? Son, that makes no sense. 400 is down. That means we're selling now. MCK, am I a scalper? Yes. Not a very quick one, but yes. Do I close the trade? I'm not in the trade. Sorry, I just read Mud's freaking comment. Okay, son, please make it make sense. TP at 2400. 400's down here. 400 is below. Are you saying you're... No, because TP is at 2400. I'm very confused. Sorry, son. I don't understand what you're talking about. It's 4 AM in the morning. Time to catch some Z's. Stay safe. Oh, cheers, Jamie. Yes, go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep. Go to sleep, little Jamie. I am so extra weird today. I'm so sorry. Which chart is this? This is the Nasdaq futures. What's up, mother fluffer? Yeah. Going mother fluffer because that would have been entry here. Okay, let's see what this does. Oh, well, I need to... No, change those words, Lance. You don't need. You say need, then the emotions get heightened, right? But it's a bit tricky because you can't say I hope for a better New York session either. Just whatever happens, happens. Oh, bye, Geordie. Oh, I see I've missed a lot of drama. Anyways, you see, I was quick hit Japan early today or last night. No? What? There was an earthquake? Muddy ain't trading, just on my way home now. Got plans this evening. Aww, that sucks. I'm all emotions. I need to detach more with time, I think. Oh, Lance, I hear you. I'm also just bucket load of emotions sometimes. I'm trying to get better though. Trying is the keyword. Hi there, my name is Anna. Hope you're having a great day. Ah, thank you. Oh, I see. Okay, never mind. I see what you were trying to do there. Sucks to be you. I didn't say your full name. Boom. I'm bothered. Moving on. I have stopped rushing. Oh damn. Okay. Is this where we actually start to see a little bit of a retest happen? Probably.
Emotional damage.
Give me a second. Okay, I'm not. Nobody panic. Because Friday is a public holiday, the cool guys are here now. As you can hear, Perry going absolutely insane. Because of them, anyway. But can you say your name again, please? Bam bam. Mud sent you his username, Debbie? Seriously, how much did you pay for your account? Daddy Stocks? This funded account? Unfortunately, the activation fee was a little bit more expensive. Well, I'd say expensive, a standard activation fee. Interesting, okay. Now create it there. Yeah, okay, back up into the imbalance. Could be expected here. Okay, solid rejection off of the higher time frame. That's definitely headed for a stop loss, but moving on. With I think account limits are super unfair. What do you mean by that, Daddy Stocks? How much was it? Oh, like, I think, if I'm not mistaken, it was $130, somewhere around there. Hey, Dave! How you doing? How you doing? Sorry for Perry making all the noise.
Hi. Hi. Good morning.
I know, man. It's because if I have that mindset of just blow it and start again, then you have the wrong mindset. You don't need that mindset. If you get that mindset, it's very dangerous because then anytime you start losing, you just kind of go, ugh, and you just want to, like you said, just blow it to move on to the next, and that's very dangerous to think that way. Back in there. Let's see now if this gets another rejection. Holy moly. Didn't even tap into back there. Interesting. Interesting. But you're alright. Thank you, buddy. I'm trying. Woof woof. Yeah, no, sorry about that. I can release 5% in the process again for any other one. Use your account, you have to pay for a new one. No, Daddy Suck, I don't know. I kind of disagree with that one a little bit. Again, I actually like that you haven't just done that. Why? I'm surprised you're still going. Buddy, I never give up. It is a blessing and a curse. I'm stubborn as all heck. Oh, thank you, Muddy. Daddy Stocks, you still think a downtrend is in play here? I mean, this could have just been a freaking massive retest from Asia. Asia bumped. Solidly. But it does also have to retest here, so it's a little bit of a 50-50. Let's see what this wants to do. Retest back into this, ooh, volume imbalance. Oh, very nice, very nice. Okay. Might want to retest back up into this little volume imbalance. Let's see how this goes. It's doing its best. Sorry, I'm just looking at it going, it's doing its best. Muddy, Davy's asking what your is on. Okay. Does anyone know anyone who succeeded and not yeah, tons of people, Daddy Stocks, tons of people, everyone getting payouts has succeeded and not blown their accounts. I mean, so like OTT. Okay, sorry, let me. Okay, as I flipping unmuted, Barry at the bark. I'm uploading an account. Something of it. That's me extremely. Boom, 40.1. Hey, Jackie Brown, nice. Yeah, Debbie's here. She was in here before. Debbie's on vertical. The term succeed in blowing your account sounds like such nothing more. True. Downtrend of forming candle, what's the low price? Okie dokie. Back up we go. Bam, 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 bam. Let's see if we get confirmations here. That would be impressive if she started making money on this again. Thank you, Jose. It would be. It's not over yet. Yet. We're still in this thing. Okay, what's using right now? Flip. Ooh, do you think I should wait? Sorry. Ooh, that's a nice rejection. Let's see if we continue this rejection. Well, Daddy Stocks, I do agree. I do think this is gonna continue going down. Let's see though, let's see. Let's give this a little bit of time. Muddy? What? Okay, anyways. After trying to form accounts, but I didn't take it. I didn't take it, KB. Joe, yeah, I didn't take that trade if that's what you're asking. Agreed, waiting for that 5-minute close, but I see that wick forming. Well, that's weird. Nah, you are shaky right there. Like, I'm gonna butcher it now. The super famous man. His name is Shaq. The second candle option is high. It'll be win in a row. Number 2, nice. Apparently not Atlanta. She's on bars. No, I'm kidding. Call them out. Go tell them, you know what? Someone loves me. Ooh. Hmm. Ooh. Hmm. Nice rejection. Very nice rejection. Good close. But to look at so ill, I just don't like what that is. Don't like this doji either. Pity, 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 pity. You should find a stock genius to build your account so you have breathing room? No, gotta do everything yourself. I would short under 0.70, the stops at 100, need 5. New York, I'm just gonna breathe. Thank you, Jose, I appreciate that. That'd be awesome. Bit of an inverse fair value gap, but only on the 1 minute. I think it's gonna want to retest this volume imbalance a little bit more. Let's see. I could be wrong. Watch this thing go down now. This goes down, that would have top ticked. A little bit of a volume imbalance. I'm calling it inverse over here. Little one. Yeah, it's struggling to break above this institutional level. I mean, there's a fight going on, don't get me wrong. Question is, who's gonna win, buyers or sellers? Okay. Buyers took over there. I feel like you really could do sport commentating for this. Yeah, okay, I think the buyers may have come to the party now. Hey! Oh, blood. Coach Connor, how are you doing? That is hilarious. Oh my gosh. That's a scam way of making money out of your phone. What did Daddy Stock say? I didn't even see. Oh, what? That's weird. Build win number 2 in a row. What do you mean, where? Said it was a downtrend. This is not going down. Sorry, I'm gonna always call you Muggy. I hope you don't mind. I'm good. How are you? Front. No, it looks just... For me, it looks like the buyers have taken over. Okay, tapped into that doji on ES right now. Let's see what we get here. What's my... Hey, Princess and Trader. What's my trading model? It's a bit of a mix of things. It's a bit of a mix of market auction theory, ICT, and SMC. Kind of put together. Oh, nice! IDC Films, how you doing, by the way? Don't return that on the way home from work. Still waiting for that 5-minute dump. Ooh, we've lost a little bit of volume. 10:35. Okay, after I see if this is a hit or miss, guess what we're gonna do? Some of you hate it, some of you love it, but you best believe we're gonna do butterfly of the day. Because I think it's fun. Retesting this. Ah, mother fluffer. Alright then. Looks like down we go. Interesting. Rejected beautifully off of that doji on ES. I had a full-time job while trading. Justin, how are you so consistent with what in particular? Gotta be a little bit more like consistent with what? Yeah, butterfly pick up pretty well. I don't pick, I go randomly. I just go and then stop at one and there we go. Oh, I'm good. I've been listening. I've been in trenches getting there. I will. Oh, damn, IDC Films. I'll be sitting up along here. I know, but that's why I'm kind of sitting and watching what this does here. That's why I'm not trading this, by the way. I'm just sitting and watching, see what this does. Consistent with your balance, I think you meant. Yeah, true. I might have my first red day in 20 days. I just forgot what this felt like. Brag much? Anyway, sucks to be you. No, I'm kidding. That sucks. I'm sorry. But, you know, losing is all part of it. With posting coming live every day or with anything. Hey, thank you, Justin. I have no idea. I'm just weird, I guess. Oh, guys, by the way, I have uploaded the shark video. It has been uploaded. I uploaded it this morning, so you guys can go and check out the experience of the shark cage dive. I apologize if I'm very loud. Consistent trade, I will now. Oh, true. Sorry, we don't lose, we only learn. Why is it hard to read 1,000 by November? Atlantic, you're such a sweetie pie. So Friday, I hear the charts are closed. I mean, well, yeah, the charts are closed. Well, during London. New York, there was a bit of a debate. Is New York open for the AM session but closed for the PM session? Is that correct? Who knows? So Friday, because it's, what's it? Good Friday, that's it. Nearly said Happy Friday. I'm like, that's not it. Consistent trade, I said, I'll do it now, don't worry. Only London sesh, but doesn't New York also close early? Yes, there we go. What's the easiest way to create your own strategy? You have to find your edge. No, the red line would be the stop loss. Sorry, so would it look like this? 50% would be entry, stop loss at 0.2, and TP at the green line. Would it look like so? Sorry, I know this is a little bit chaotic. Let me turn this off. Would it look like so? That's what the trade would look like. Oh, we're coiling. Oh, cool. Okay. We're coiling. Loki and Mojo Jojo that's forming right now. Question is, which way are we gonna break? Up or down? We're gonna break up? Is it gonna break up, guys? New York is shut down Friday. See, now? Okay. This Friday, yeah, it landed this Friday. No, not today. No, be quiet. Friday. So I'm talking about Friday. Friday for Good Friday. Apparently London's not open. New York, there's a debate about if it's closed properly or if the AM session is open and then PM is closed. Hey, I need that drop first. Sorry. It's gonna break down. You're welcome, coach. Uptrend forming candle. What a great way to lead into my birthday. I did not know I had Friday off. That's cool, Atlanta. Friday for Good Friday. Exactly. Ooh. Yeah, which means obviously I won't stream London session because, well. I'm watching a video and you definitely drive way too fast for road conditions. Oh, sorry, I'm having such a good giggle. I was going 60. That's hilarious. Oh gosh. In South Africa, you can drive as fast as you want. Fast. Oh gosh, that's hilarious. Okay, Muddy, you're in a long. This is a long flipping trade right here. Again, I know I'm not in it, but still. There we go, breaking down. We're either breaking up or we're having a breakdown. There's two options. Neither of them sound good. No, I'm kidding. Right, I want to do butterfly of the day, but I said I'd only do it once you make up your mind about if this would be a hit or a miss. So if we could decide that now, that would be great. You're doing that, but anyways. Where's Midnight Mag? Here. Midnight Mag is below. Oh my goodness, Periwinkle. With. Okay. Are there statues of Elon in South Africa? Not that I know of. I don't think so. This is Nasdaq. I love her. What's up? Henry! Oh, I see the chat is in conflict right now. What? I was looking at the time. I didn't want to move things, so 4:43. Oof, this is a bit of a interesting situation right now. Muddy, I think you're correct. I think this is gonna want to actually go up. Do I speak Afrikaans? Not really. I can understand Afrikaans. I can speak a little bit of Afrikaans, but I'm not really Afrikaans. I'm South African. I am very much English. I'm not gonna even sugarcoat it. I am so bad with languages. Even English is hard because apparently, you know, gibberish. I nailed that one. You know, don't mean to brag, but I speak fluent gibberish. Sorry, Josh. I'll be quiet. Hey, how's it? Wait, President Donald J. Trump, how's it? I'm assuming you're South African. How are you doing? Because only South Africans say how's it. How you doing? Fluent gibberish. It's my thing. Afrikaans is so cool to me. I mean, I can speak a little bit, but not a lot. Exactly. I knew it. A fellow South African. How you doing? Hey, Gok, what's up? How goes? How goes? Wow. Americans also say how's it. Do they? Normally I can like instantly spot a South African because they start with how's it. I'm like, ah, South African right there. Therefore, in the markets begin to trade during New York session, or at least if you're trading around the time Trump wakes up. Britishers also say, really? Huh. So you do live trades often? Jaxy Jacks every day, both London and New York session. What's lacka? Basically like nice, I guess. He said he had very important news about the war. Oh gosh. Away. Nice again. Hey, good. What's up? Everyone says how. I disagree. Does everyone say how's it, or only South Africans? Like as a greeting. I have a question. What's my dog's name? Perry. Okay, I'm gonna start. I know this is the most random poll. I'm now genuinely curious. Sorry, I know it's such a random thing, but now I'm gonna be fixated on that, so. I know it's the most random poll I've ever done, but we're going with it now. Little jump scare I gets every time. Harry goes, yeah. I think I've said how's it hanging, never how's it. There we go, that's why. I have 0 horses. Okay, I must say, oh, literally it's a 50-50. It's like dealing with the charts, no one really knows. Okay, I think while we're waiting for this to make up its mind, I did say I would do Butterfly of the Day once it made up its mind, but this is taking a whole lot longer than I thought it would. So, let's do Butterfly of the Day. Just for funsies. Oh, I don't know if you heard my tummy. My tummy just made a noise there. Okay. So, Butterfly of the Day. Let's hope it's a goodie. It's okay. That was mean. Oh, okay, no, I like its name. It's called a Jitterbug Daisy Copper. That's adorable. I like its name. It's okay. I just have very high standards for butterflies now. Butterfly. Ta-da! Okay, it's not that bad. I'm being judgy. Ooh, that's pretty. That's not it though, but that's pretty. That's a very different butterfly, but anyways, that's him. That's him. He's very cute. So, Jitterbug Daisy Copper. Very, very cute. So it's usually close to food plant. Cool. Oh wait, I forgot. It's 22 to 28 millimeters. Oh, it's a small boy. It's small. So distribution is coastal fynbos in the Western Cape from Cape Peninsular to Knysna area. Also Namakaru, sorry. What? Okay, so just in the Karoo and Oudtshoorn. Habitat is coast, flatlands, rocky slopes. Flight period is single brooded, September to Jan. Peak October, November. Oh wait, I have to try and say its Latin name. So Chrysoritis Zioxo. Chrysoritis Zioxo. That sounds like a medication. Anyway, so that's butterfly of the day. Very, very cool. This one's very cool, but that's not butterfly of the day. This one's butterfly of the day. Ta-da! Back to the charts. Oh, I see we have gone nowhere. Absolutely nowhere. But that's fine. Let's give you guys a better view. I'm an unlicensed dog whisperer, that's why I asked. I'm a dog whisperer. Sorry, I'm reading these comments right now. I have a superpower. See you, Matt. Bye, Maddie. I'm from South America. No butterflies once. Creepy creatures from understanding. I'm gonna be so late for New York session and just wanted one more scalp. I'm gonna chop. Yes, sometimes DJ and Gambler haven't outgrown that phase, yes, but getting better probably. I'm trying to think anyone that like me. But bad. Yeah, let's close my eye. Thank you, buddy. You know that the wife, you know. Wait, Muddy, what? I feel like you're talking absolute rubbish. But okay. I'm calling BS on that one, Muddy. This fucking transition. I don't know. Okay, wait, I have to check out the... Okay, guys. To answer the question, it looks like How's It is more of an SA folks type of thing. Just based off of this. Not by a lot, but still. So one got 65%. And the other got 75%. So I'm gonna say it's an SA thing. I can't deal with her not having. I call BS. Maybe any driving skills. That's a very weird. What? MNBA, what's up? Oop, yep, so there it would have been a loss. Okay, finally, it kind of gave a bit of an answer, but this is still going sideways. Wow! the heck? Oh my gosh, I was about to say, Maddie, I'm like, I'm not believing anything you say right now. I forgot it was April Fool's.
Okay, let's go.
What was that news? I have no idea. Who knows what just did someone tweet something? Who tweeted what? But other ways. Let's learn it for you. Oh gosh. The robot thing is true though. Tweet candle yet. Oh. Cape Town and A Reagan. Cape Town. Amazing out of short and was very skeptical, but what a movement. I might break even. What's that break even? Is anyone hearing what I'm Dev win. Nice. Well done, Dev. Sure, that was scary for you for a little bit, hey, but that was really, really good. Can I just say then how rude this would have been? Like I said, this would have been the setup. Would have come whicked me out and then gone straight down. Rude. That was seriously, was there a tweet or something? What happened? Oh, for anyone that was in a short and freaking just got that. Seriously? Whoop whoop. What the hey diddly day? That was insane. Oh, thanks, Shaki. Okay. So, yeah. So what about lifestyle vlogs? Yeah. Not Xing, right. That sounds weird. Tweeting just sounds better. After all the stuff's finished, I'm on along. I doubt anyone short would have filled at that speed. Actually, that's a good point. Who had a short set up that was not filled because it was just insane in that moment? Invest into that. Right, came back into the Hey, boom, nope. I'm still in this. I don't know how, but we're in this thing. How are you doing, boom? That's one way to say hi. Hi. I put TP at view up and hi. Trump said no more butterflies while trading. Well, that's rude. Butterflies for the win. This is for boom because apparently he doesn't think I care.
Hi. Good morning.
I don't see it. Don't see what? What don't you see, boom? There we go, Explorer. Okay, that was fun. That was a liquidity grab. Bloody hell. Okay. Alrighty then. You in a trade right now? No, I'm not in a trade right now. Probably changing rain for. Oh, that's actually a good point. Let's see. I mean, this is still intense. Don't get me wrong. Like, good grief. That's okay, boom. Don't worry. I got you. Is that a thing? What's the Midnight Magnet? It is a bit of a thing. And it's down here at 981.75. But yes, Midnight Magnet is a bit of a thing. I've been watching it. Which means it could maybe still go down there. I don't get them. The worms one day Empress. Put your attention on this matter. Oh my gosh. You know what?
Nice.
Sell it right now. Boom, you know I don't do signals. But do you think this is dropping? Oh. You could enter short after sweep liquidity in the bearish value up. Manipulation, distribution is our next opposite side of manipulation movement. I don't think we'll go to min-mag. I think it wants to run upwards, but I think min-mag just pulling some liquidity in and stomped it with. Maddie, you're still in your long. Good grief. How big was your stop loss? How long was your stop loss? How big was your stop loss? We've lost the volume that I like to see. What is that candle? Oh, good question. A fun time. How do I still have coffee? Oh, TP 23760 was but just a wick. Oh, that is hilarious. Watch his market in right now, boom. 305 points. Ah, there we go. Sounds like a plan. If it actually goes and hits. Where did you say? TP 760. I'm gonna giggle. Eh? What do you mean? I've been in. Please check your internet connection. Oh no. My internet's fine. Oh no! What's it doing? Why is it doing this? Okay, well, I will try that again just now. Sugar honey iced tea, now I can't trade. Ooh. Okay, let me find out what happened there. That's weird. Well, now I can't take a trade. I said reset. Trust, I did reset. Let's see. Reset chart view. I'll figure this out just now as well. That was very weird and random. Internet is still good. I'll figure it out just now. It's messing with the platforms. Anyone want to bet it'll go higher than that big white candle? Aw. Ooh, can I paper trade still? I might be able to paper trade. Okay, anyways, I wanted to make a mark at... Boom, you said 760 here. $760 just for the lols. There's Boom's line. I'm offended. They don't want you to win. I know. They knew the next trade was going to be a win. Ah, how rude. Boom is 760. 663. Buddy, I'm confused. I thought you were buying. Boom says sell to 760. Boom, I can't complain. What is happening? What's going on? What's crazy? You just keep bouncing off the 200 and lost it on ES? Stefan, what do you mean? Muddy, you're in a long... Ah, see, Muddy. Boom's saying a sell down. So your TP is 663. Good grief, okay. I didn't realize what was... Yep. Boom is saying down to there. I'll have to reconnect. No. How irritating. Oh well. I was bored long. I bet someone is going over the big white candle for uptrend. Do we have any takers? Nah, daddy stocks. We don't bet here. We are not betters over here. Did you screenshot? I did not, damn. Maybe I should have. Happy 1st day of April, everyone. What the? My Tradevate not working. Oh, okay, so maybe it's a thing. Oh shoot, Tony. Okay, is anyone else's TradingView or Tradevate not working? Contract update is probably happening. Ah, Mario, I only had one attempt left. Let's maybe not mess with things right now. If they're having issues, I don't want to be trading anyways. So could have a mess up again. April's the best month of all. Why do you say that, Frank? No. Oh, rough. Sorry, I'm giggling about that. Good guess. It actually worked out. Good everyone. New York looks promising. I hear that. Your TradingView and Tradevate is working fine. Weird. I'll be 1 year older at the end of it. Hey, Frank, that's cool. We gotta take off. Car was supposed to be ready, but finally now she's not. Oh, buddy, I love it. And the summer begins. Really, I love the casino. No, that's bad. I'm gonna sell my since the big volume candle. Hey, whistleblower. Do I have a website? Not like no, not yet. Hey, Fast Snacks, how long have I been trading for? Boom just wanted to say, I know, Boom, and they wouldn't let me. They heard you say that, and they were like, nah, we gotta log her out. We can't let her do that. Oh, how long have I been trading for? Nearly a year. 14th of April would be a year of trading. Nice to meet you. English. Nice to meet you too. How's it going? I'll let it jump a little first. I think I'm gonna take that on and jump out. I don't want to swing with this min-mag sitting much lower than the price. Mine is April 20. Your what? April 27th is when you started. How many years ago? Starter subscription needs to renew. I think maybe. I don't know. 14th April. We need to have my 1-year trading anniversary. Muddy! I can't. I'm not gonna be here on the 14th of April. I'm not sure the 13th and 14th of April, guys. Sorry. Maybe we'll just have to do it on the 15th. Oh, thank you, Fostmax. You're so sweet. How long have you been trading for? Last year. Liar, liar, pants on fire. You've been trading for more than a year, boom. Oh, for futures. There we go. Please check my chart on Discord. I'm on it. Did you? Are you in this? Interesting. Are you in this trade? Nah, Muddy, I'm gonna take my horses back up to Joburg. So they're traveling up on the 13th and I'm flying down on the 14th, but only much later in the evening. Only 1 year. Some been trading for 10 years. How do you learn so quickly? To be fair, I've learned from this amazing community. Literally, this amazing community has taught me a lot. You might actually lose VWAP this time. That's okay. VWAP doesn't hold all the time. It's the same as fair value gaps. Just subscribe and plan on learning more and more each day. Oh, fast mags. Same. Yes, that's why I told you to take it. No, just forward testing. Okay. Are you asking if that is the correct setup for my strategy? Was that what you were asking, Coach Carter? Yeah, basically, Maddie, because I am going to move back up there, but only in July. Sweet and simply, just down here is just not good anymore. Is Tradeovate working? Some people say yes. Do what on the 15th? We're going to have to do like a celebration. I don't know what, but guys, thoughts. Come on, throw thoughts at me of what to do for a like 1 year celebration of trading for 1 year. What are your thoughts, guys? Come on. Buy a cake. Buy a cake. Come on. I would never, buddy. Can you imagine? All started working. Jaxie Jack, explain please. Basically, yes. Does it make sense? Yes and no. So mine is more of a retest, but I see you've kind of used yours as send me a message on Discord, then we could discuss it further. Okay, Coach Carter? You could dress up like ICT. Just put on a happy hat. A happy hat. What is my setup? So... So I'm going because there's nothing clean here right now. Obviously that's not quite what you want, especially after that wick. Very good question. What would the setup even be? This would have been this setup. Oh, check at that. Actually retested beautifully into the 50%. Ah, would have taken... Oh no. Partials would have been break even. Sugar honey iced tea. Look at this go. For the full range, this would have been this setup. Stop loss up above here. Entry at the 0.5. TP at the 1.1. So going down to the midnight mag, which is cool. It's way too late. Good luck. Oh, thank you, Stefan. You're so sweet. Alright, says a big fat hello to everyone, and so goodbye to. Oh, gotta head out. Cheers, Cara. I have a great idea. I'm listening at lunchtime. Hey, Glav. Yeah. But you'll risk jail time. Okay, maybe not. Well, a GAN box, not really a flip, but a GAN box. Oh, Jaxie Jax. I'm not profitable yet. I'm not here pretending to be profitable. I am on a funded account, but I'm not profitable yet. I haven't had a payout. If people are gonna come and be like, oh, I haven't had a payout. I'm not profitable yet. It's one step at a time. I am on a funded account, so that's cool. It's just not going great, but I've kept it alive. I am determined to try and keep it alive. I don't know if you would have taken that trade right after that insta drop. No, so the trade would have been like here. Oh, but I hear what you're saying because of a short and you expect it to retest further up, right? This would have been the trade. Entry would have been here at this candle. TP. So like I said, here would have actually partialed it. Full TP at the 1.1, but here would have been the entry for that trade. Low-key nice. Oh well, it is what it is. Take a week off, that's the best thing to do, good grief. Jaxie Jax, you are welcome. Solid trade, but a sketchy one when you're right near your max drawdown. No, but that's exactly, it's way too large. Way too large for me to take. Let's see, even out of curiosity, if I'd done... Oh, for crying out loud, I forgot I'm not flipping. Mother bluffer. How irritating. How many payouts? I haven't had any payouts. Here we go, big white candle. I've been... So the funded account she's on right now is her first. Yep, thank you. Thank you, Muddy. This is indeed my first ever funded account, and I'm cradling it like a baby. Mr. Umi 992. Yeah. Pretty solid TP. Pity about that. Oh well. That is such a scam. What's a scam? How is that a scam? Incubile, I do not have Telegram, sorry, but I do have Discord. No, Daddy Stocks, sorry, but that is not a scam at all. That's the whole point of having prop rooms. is to protect. Imagine this was my live capital. I'd be screwed. And if she buys an account that's already past evil, so basically it's more expensive. I genuinely would never tell anyone to go straight past evil. Nah, I agree with you, Muggy, on that one. You could be like, nope. Like I said, got Discord. That's about it. If anyone does want to join, you're more than welcome to. Just please be aware of the scammers on the Discord. I won't send you a friend request, okay? If you guys send me one, cool, but I will not send you a friend request. If you get one from me, it's most likely a scammer, okay? I'm just putting it out there. You're more than welcome to join if you want. What are you talking about, Daddy Stocks? I mean, try some oscillator indicator for spotting divergence, gives advantage for early entries. An oscillator indicator. No, I can't. What? What's up, Boom? I know, it's going down beautifully. Okay, Daddy Stocks, I need you to explain, and I want you to just be cautious of how you explain, okay? Because I am a very firm believer in prop firms, especially when you are beginning. If you are a beginner, prop firms all the way, 100%. Even if you aren't a beginner and you are wanting to protect your capital, prop firms all the way, 100%. Yeah, literally. Boom was using prop firms for a while. I know OTT is profitable, Bob is profitable. I can actually like have a list of profitable traders using prop firms and exclusively only use prop firms. I'm at break even. Yay! Boom! Wait, are you actually going all the way down to 670? There we go. I'm gonna let it ride. Oh my gosh. A little too difficult for me if I'm going to do the game. First TP is Asia low. Nice. No, the rules are actually very easy. Which firm do you use? Hey, Valentine Steven. So I'm currently with Top 1 Futures. Yeah, I'm currently with Top 1 Futures. I would love to get a TraderFi account, but I'm still on this funded account. Hey, Push Party. Hi, I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry. On my live account, I'm 85% win rate. They make money when you lose and lose when you win. Why would you keep profitable trading at their platform unless there are influences in the space? Great. Oh gosh. Okay, I see we're gonna have a bit of a debate here. I'm trying to think of the correct way to go about this. Anyway, it's fine. First time in your channel. Hey, well, welcome, Vinny. Okay, let's see. 5:23 now. I'm actually gonna quickly open up my account. Let's see if I can get back online or not. Let's see if I can. Oh, Coach Scott, that's okay, it happens. Okay, when you have a picture, so payouts on this one. I'm glad I jumped up. That sucks. Why do you need proof of this? Do you know how many people have gotten payouts? And there's proof of payouts. I think OTT actually sent proof on the Discord. There's a lot of people who have shown that they've gotten payouts. Stop, how many hours do you trade for? A step trade. So I trade both London and New York Open. Yeah, Been trading. Sorry, I'm trying to do this. Been trading for, oh my gosh, sorry. Clearly I can't multitask. Okay. Let's try that again. How long do I trade for hours-wise? I trade both London and New York Open. London, I'm here for around about 3 hours. New York, yeah, more like 2 hours until lunchtime, New York time. So I'm there for the New York Open AM session. Padma, what did I do? What did I do? I'm so sorry. Can we connect now? I'm gonna put this out of the way just so you guys can see. Are we good? Okay, we're good. We're back. We're back. Aha! Ta-da! Okay. Now that I missed the down move, it's fine. In a good way. Oh, thank you, Atlanta. You're so sweet. Since you're trying to take a payout using money, that is not your own. That's why they have certain rules you need to follow. Because the zero only means you have to trade a certain amount. Oh, thank you. You guys are so sweet. I didn't mean it that way that time, honestly. Wow, that time. That time. Other times, yeah. Okay, so back up, let's see. A bit of a rejection off of here. I can now take trades again. Yay! Winning! But you're welcome. Oh gosh. You're my wife, not Autumn Pan. Boom, you fatty. Boom, you're still in this, right? I missed it. Did I take any trades today? I took one earlier, which was a little bit of a correct idea, wrong entry point. It's fine. That's what timing is a thing. Gotta have the correct timing. Trading vs a slight delay when opening a trade can sometimes be costly. Coach Card, I do agree. So I used to actually use Project X, but then Project X wasn't allowed anymore, which is a little bit rude. Project X was quite good, but unlux. My break even is 24068. Oh, nice. Okay. Let's see if it's gonna retest. Yesterday and yesterday has been that great. Has not been that great, or has been that great, Mikuave? Oh, it hasn't. Never mind. Sorry. If I read further down. I feel like things have changed a tiny bit on your screen, or am I tripping? Have they? I didn't think so. No? Well, I don't know. Now you're making me question my everything. Jaxie Jackson, my still on souls. What indicators do you use? I guess it's this squiggly lines. Atlanta, so this is VWAP over here. These are obviously just volume. I do use the bob levels. That's some secret sauce stuff. And I've tried these today. Yeah. It was a very good reaction there. Oh well. Oh, if I had taken that bob to bob, that would have been a freaking beautiful trade. Sorry. Just having a quick look at this. So, oof, I mean, it would have been a little bit terrifying, don't get me wrong. That would have been nice. Terrifying. Questioning all life choices. Then casually down. Anyways. Aw, thanks Lotus Moon. How are you doing? I'm going to try to practice this morning and I just can't. I hear you. Steph, what made me start trading? Sweet and simply, I guess. I want to say the usual, if you will, the freedom part. Not saying freedom comes easily. I'm talking like financial freedom and freedom from a boss and all of those things. Not saying that comes easily, right? But that is the goal. That is why I started. I was in profit and got stopped out on break even. Sorry, but that's okay. Better than a loss, right? Bob low on retest, so you're following the momentum. Cheers, cheers, Muddy. Awesome. Bye-bye. See if we get a bit of a tap over here. I don't think it's still gonna go a little bit further down back into midnight. The midnight magnet is still below. Ollie, so then what are you doing if you're not... Sorry. Backtesting. Gosh, guys. It's Wednesday. That's just what I've been seeing the most based on the bob levels anyways. You have to look for like specific things. I think that is... It's a little bit of the tricky part, right? There have to be very specific things you look for with them. And it's also why, you know, Bob says don't actually use it during London, because London doesn't have the higher volatility where it could just go straight, you know, straight up, straight down. London kind of messes around a little bit too much. Can't lie, I switched on to PS5 for a bit. I mean, if you're having fun. No. I'm Muddy, they're not from Deb. So these bob levels are secret source levels. To be fair, it's like my main indicator. I love it. Oh, Caroline Markets, what's up? Okay. Wait.
Okay, let's go.
Seeing if this will get the chart to move a little bit more. Went down nicely. I'd like to see if it gives a bit more of a... the other ones, yeah. Thought so. So you prefer New York session? I don't know. It depends on the day. Some days London are just like, chef's kiss. Today though, theoretically, Yeah, London has not been ideal for my setup today. Unfortunately. Like, that one wouldn't have worked out. This one would have, actually. Nah. Bit of a tricky one, okay. Cheers, Maddie! That's nice. I was talking with a buddy about it. I feel everyone eventually finds their own little setup or thing that makes sense and works for them visually and mentally. Atlanta, but that's exactly it, right? Everyone always asks, what's the best indicator? What's the best strategy? What's the best this? What's the best? I don't know. Because what I think is the best might not work for you at all. I think that is the key thing. Something that I love, you'll look at and be like, I don't understand anything that's going on. Whereas for someone else, they'll have another strategy. I've had it before where someone has a strategy and I'm looking and I'm like, I see it's working for you, but I just can't see it. I don't understand. It's just not clicking in my mind. So I can never tell anyone what is the best thing. You can mention things that people could look out for, but I can't sit there and be like, yeah, you must definitely do this, or yeah, this is the best, hands down. No one can argue with it, because yes, they can. It is trading. Trading is not 100%. Never 100% guarantee with trading. Part of the fun. Yeah, infinite different ways people put it all together. Yeah, seems like it's extended down here. I'll be waiting for the next 5 minutes setup. Atlanta's our dog is. Yeah, we'll call her Atlanta. Oh, that is so cool. Also, I didn't know you had a dog. Hey, Red, what's up? Okay, everyone has their own strat. That's my favorite thing about trading. So many strategies, yep. So the edge is the thing, right? I guess the edge is what makes you. Does that make sense? I don't know if that makes sense, but yeah. I guess we've kind of had discussions about what do people mean exactly when they talk about an edge. But I guess an edge is what makes sense to you in the charts, and it's something that you realize and it works for you and it just clicks and it's what made you profitable. That's kind of my understanding. I know people have a bit of a different idea about what edge is. Wait, you guys are having fun? What's up, AJ? Welcome. What a way to start a conversation. You can stay. You look like fun. Not me the most ambitious is going to 5-minute chart for entry. Stocks I did one, but NQ loves to sweep lows and highs. I know, Coach Carter. It's great. Yep, we got a golden pity. Aw! Good here. Remember protected swing. 5 minutes for the 618 already looking for sale now, possibly. That's my understanding, at least. Guys, correct me if I'm wrong with that. Yeah, edge is a sort of advantage over probabilities. Thank you, Donald. Well, you should see my chart. Broken trading? Does it look like a Christmas tree? Please say it looks like a Christmas tree. Does it look like a Christmas tree? What's up? What's up? Can I help you? He looks very upset for some reason. No? Atlanta, no? What's no? It's the most advanced linear regression algorithm ever created and that will ever be created. Okay. Elaborate if you don't mind. I'm just here to see the time we hit profit line. I don't see a Christmas tree anyway. No. Okay, when I say a Christmas tree, I mean like Also, I could just be... I'm gonna be an idiot now. So irritating when can't freaking Google things. How about now? Oh man. Anyways, I'm sorry. I'll stop. Looks like a market movement. Reducing early buys to then sell down. I have a Hickett screen compared to mine, but for the most part, mine is simple to my mind. With one regular email declared charts every single turn. Edge would be your advantage over the market. You'd use your edge to identify setups that have a higher probability of winning instead of blindly clicking buy or sell. Interesting. There we go. Thank you. So I got you, Atlanta. I got you. You know, what would you do without me? Okay. And we're just retesting this a little bit. Weird, bit of a weird point right now. I mean, this is okay. What chart? This is the Nasdaq futures, MNQ to be specific. Cheers, Atlanta, enjoy. This would have potentially been the entry for a short here. Like I said, let's see what we get. Well, Atlanta... New York? I mean, I'll be back for New York. So see you for New York then. Potentially. Cheers, Maddie! Thanks. Oh, we'll check back. Sell. Trust, sell. Let's see, I'm gonna watch how accurate you are. And sell to what level? You know, that's always the question. Huh? 447? 447? Considered unit, how's it going? Currency name, are picking? How you doing? Currency name, not currency, trading the Nasdaq futures, how you doing? I don't, my bad, Maddie, I need to just be better. That's how it works, right? That's how it works, just be better. Anywho, anyone else, has anyone taken a trade? How's it looking? Is everyone kind of out for a little bit now? How's it going? How's everyone's trades looking currently? Like I said, is anyone in on this? Yes, no, maybe. Yeah. Thoughts? Eugene, what up? Red, you want to see the 1 hour chart? I will. Gonna do a monolithic drop. I think since Geordie the last 2 days price action has looked odd. Interesting. I'm not trying to be patient here for my second trade in the session. Sure, someone asked me to check the 1 hour. Let's check the 1 hour quickly. Hiki. No, sorry, let me turn the indicator off. I mean, yeah. Oh, check out the W formation. Huh, interesting. Tis a W on the 1 hour. Meow. That is not an indicator you're looking at noise. Sorry. You can be mean about me, but I have limits. You're not allowed to be mean about that. It is my indicator. Boom. Impatient I'm floating loss right now. But still hopeful. Let's see. Equal highs. What pair? So not a pair. This is the Nasdaq futures. I was like, nearly said New York futures. That's not right. Whoop, nah, here this goes back up. Very interesting. So red, sorry, you were talking about red, the equal highs on the 1 hour. Let me go and see. I'm gonna buy also on NAS 100. Nice! Am I being dumb right now? Are you talking about this? Yeah? Are you talking about these relative equal highs on the 1 hour? Because damn, that's far up. You're about to lose. Take it out. Take what out? Broken? No? Okay. Okay. Oh, are you just talking about this here? Sorry. Wait, okay. No, you've completely lost me with the relative equal highs right now. I don't see relative equal highs. And you're talking about here? I don't know. Yeah. These? Oh, these relative equal highs. At this point, at 538. I'm assuming you meant these. Yeah? 540, 538. Let me go check. I may have marked them already. Let me go check the 1 minute. Yeah, basically all here. You can see a previous day had a London high, New York high. I have all of those marked up there. Take a small amount and bet down. I have linear regression on every time frame on every level, but don't get too much on that. Regression a little bit and then drop a huge amount. Okay. Broken trading, I'm gonna say two things. I'm saying it very, very respectfully. Okay, so in this community, we respect everyone's trading strategy and everyone's opinions. Is everyone always correct? No, because that is literally impossible. But if people use different indicators, different strategies, that's fine. If you maybe have something you think would help them out, like maybe if they add something, 100%, you can suggest it to them. Don't shove it down their throats, but you can suggest it to them. But we are not here to call people's ideas and thoughts and things dumb. Happy? Cool. Second of all, I have a question, because if I had sold when you said sell, I would be very much in drawdown right now. BBK 250 woke me up shortly from midnight. It's going nuts. Nice! Now from this point, it should sell to 5 minutes. The first high on March 26th. Ah, look, sorry. Hiccups. So with the market. So with the market what? My sell didn't work, but you still make me out. I just want to dodge your trade. 22559. What about 22559? Broken trading? I'm short from 175. Ooh, nice. Okay, so you got in on that short. Did you take partials though, Umi? Are we on the right chart right now? What's up with the bot Traderify? Oh no, just that Traderify is here, if you guys, and there's awesome discounts on Traderify. No, this trading is broken. Sorry.
Emotional damage.
What's up, Solly? How you doing? Hilarious. You said hi as I, you know, use that. Is it a sign? It might be a sign. Okay, but let's see here. Like I said, this is now just gone up, and away. It's like we might be retesting again back into these fair value gaps, which is valid. This just went bob to bob again. Just BT dubs. Freaking bob to bob again. It's actually my family, and the only tool you could actually call it. Okay, broken trading again though. Respectfully, if I had taken the sell when you said sell, I would very much be in drawdown. And unfortunately, I'm brave souls, I do put a stop loss. I say unfortunately. Not sure 16, that's buy side level, equal highs. He's gone? What did you do? Did you ban him? Nice. To be fair, if he was going to continue, I would have done the same thing, buddy, so. Props to you. Okay. I see we're back to running away with no retest and no nice confirmations. These charts are looking weird, Mikuwave. Don't know if Mikuwave's still here. Back for Vita, what am I trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures. Welcome. Price action about to bounce up and check the upside. Eugene? I see we had a bit of a 50-50 split again. Some people believe this is going to go back down. Some are like, nah, this is the buy. We tapped into the bullish order block. If we're going back down to pop level, I'm gonna actually shout. Anyways, I think my brother is still here. I think he's in the background playing. That's okay. Check the wrestling. Waiting for that hourly bar to close. It looks bullish if it closes like this. This for me low-key looks like a nice trade, but it's not the best. Does that make sense? I have one. Never mind. I take it back. It's not a good trade. Huh. I take it back. We'll most likely head toward midnight again. They're squeezing previous one out, tapping out of luck. Nick, what on earth? Anyways. Catch you guys. Cheers, cheers. As NAS buys TP, it will be tested again. Market doesn't want to go down because we're across Monday, so we're into in crisis. You really think we want that? I mean, I don't think anyone wants that, but you know, what we want and what happens normally doesn't work out like that. Unfortunately, it would be nice though, hey? Now I think this thing is dropping. Drop it like it's hot. Drop it like it's hot. Okay, that's done, that's done, that's done. Awesome sauce. 5:56. Nearly time for me to head out, guys. I'll leave this open, but I have a feeling this might be going back down again. Hey Veda, how you doing? How goes, how goes, how goes? Today was interesting. Alex, okay. Anyways, moving on. Okay, 5:57. We have 3 minutes. I mean, that was quite a decent drop, but that was about it. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Oh, here we go. Whee! Interest. Okay. Much interest. To manage to create a project swing there would be nice for a long protected swing as the key. Another rejection off. What does this look like on the 5 minute right now? Back to the 1. Sorry, deep in thought. Deep in thought. We'll carry on. Manage to create protected swing. That would be nice for a swing. 5k profit on prop. Hey! Very convincing. Oh, thanks, side. What's up? How you doing? Dating back to news. Hey, Build Passion. What's up? What are we trading? Trading the Nasdaq futures. How you doing? Good. $5.58. Aw. Another rejection down. That's cool. So I'm just thinking, don't mind me. Watching how it reacts here. I'll trade with you on my... That's a bad idea, but anyways. Hey, Toothbrush, what do you mean, have I made any money yet? Gotta be a little bit more specific. Oh, okay, I'll give it like 2 more minutes and then I have to go... Wait, will I? Oh, I actually have to go. Oh, thank you, Side. You're very, very sweet. The mud crab is married. Toothbrush, don't worry. Oh, okay, guys. I actually do have to go. It's a pity. Pity, 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 pity. Because if this then looks decent today, New York might look really, really nice. Let's see what we get then during New York session. I will be back then for New York, but I do have to go to the ponies right now. So I love you guys madly. Trade safe if you're still trading, okay? Again, just trade safe. Trade safe. If you guys want discounts, you can use my code. If not, here's what it is. You guys are awesome. See you for New York Open. Okay. Trade safe. Love you. Bye.